Hello, my name is Lorenzo. I'm 23 years old and I just finished my first year of university ever at UWE studying product design. Coming from another university, I chose UWE for many different reasons. The first one being its state-of-the-art facilities, the amazing campus, and the second one being the vibrant and diverse student bodies and academic staff bodies who come from all sorts of different backgrounds. And the third one being the course structure. Is the perfect blend of the expressive and technical angles of design. This blend gave me the freedom to create whatever I could imagine in my first year, with the facilities and steps to do so, but only if it aligned with the project brief, which readies us for future roles in the industry, teaching us how to work to specifications and constraints. I remember at the start of the year, I really enjoyed my first ever project at the university. I have very fond memories of it, working late one night in the student kitchen to finish it off. It was based on the Products Studio 1 module, and it was on the first study of semantics. The brief was to design and build a birdhouse that expressed the visual and formative qualities of an assigned material. Our assignment material was wood. And we chose words to describe the qualities of wood, such as peaceful, vibrant, tranquil, and so forth. After really thorough explanation about what the word semantics actually meant, because we didn't know, delivered in a lecture-based learning environment, we were set off in designing and consequently building a birdhouse that suitably exuded all our semantic nomenclature. We're very lucky because wood is an obvious construction material for birdhouse. So that made it that much more challenging. So this set me off on my first ever design task, which began with iterative sketching. It's rapidly recording ideas down on paper, and from there locating the ones to develop further. As this was a group project, we all developed our initial ideas alone and came together at the end of it to construct it, to choose the one to construct. And the group chose my design. So at this point, we set off construction in the studio and finished construction one late night in a student kitchen. It was an enjoyable experience. What I value most about UWE Bristol is the creative environment that you're placed in, the students, and the facilities that enable your creativity. For example, you are given access to specialist 3D printers as a student, and I use these printers to print modular scale furniture for my Objects and Experiences project. This project was based around improving the communal atrium space of the R block, the design block. So, we started off by holding interviews with students and staff to learn about their needs when using the space, and to locate points of friction. So then we use this information to try to eliminate these points of friction and develop our design further. This project posed a huge logistical challenge, as we had to gather people to interview and draw them in with adequate rewards. Cake, in our case, baked by fellow student. I remember scavenging the atrium space for people to interview and drawing them in with cake at the other end of the interview. What I value most about the course is the contact hours you are allocated with tutors, giving you more of a direction for each of your projects, giving you a constant stream of feedback that allows you to keep improving and developing your idea. This provides also an invaluable industry experience of how to work with leaders and working in line with their specifications and requirements. UWE Bristol provides an amazing learning environment that you find yourself in as students, full of creativity, endless possibilities, full of constructive feedback and project direction, full of state-of-the-art equipment and facilities that you as students have access to use. It's incredible. This is enabling you to construct your wildest conceptions. This furthers your experience as a design student.